back to my YouTube channel Logger Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter number 29 Graphical Representation of Data Exercise 29C Question 3. This says the following table shows Mr. Kumar's monthly expenditure, right? Monthly expenditure is shown to you here. We have to represent the data in the pie chart, right? Quite simple. You can see here if I have 30%, right? 15%, 10%, 20% and 25%, then it will eventually add up to how much? See here, you have 30%, 15%, 10%, 20% and 25%. And if I add all of these, you will observe that this will add up to exactly 100. 1 carried here, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 7, 2, 9 and 1, 10, 100%. Okay, all of these are in percentage, right? So the same thing here, the total of these is coming out to be 100. That is why I added all of them, right? So the total for this data, right, total is 100. Okay, 100%, right? We all aware of that, right? So basically it's percentage, of course, so it is going to come 100%, right? But just to verify it for you guys, now we need to calculate the value of the sector angle, right? What will be the value of the angle, right? We are all aware now. I'm not going to write the formula down, right? We all know the formula, that is value of the component upon total of all the components into 360, right? Okay, now look here. On food he spends 30%. Yes, 30%. Okay, Mr. Kumar spends on food 30% of his expenditure. So for food, first heading, we will be having the expenditure as 30 by 100 into 360, right? So what will happen now? This 0 will be cancelled, this 0 will be cancelled, this one will also be cancelled. 3 into 36, this is 8 and 1 carried over, so 108 degrees, first thing. Okay, then he has rent, that is 15%. Clear? So on rent he has spent 15%, that means 15 upon 100 into 360. So now if I see, I can cancel this and I can cancel this one. 10 and 15 will cancel each other. This will go 3 times by 5, 10 will go 2 times by 5, right? 2 and 36 will also cancel each other. 36 goes 18 times by 5, so 3 into 18, right? And that will be how much? That will be 54 degrees. So for rent, 54 degrees. Then on clothing, 10%, right? Okay, so for clothing he spends 10%, that means 10 upon 100 into 360, right? This 0 can be cancelled, this 0 can be cancelled, so you have 36 degrees. And then the last one, sorry, the second last one, that is transport. So on transport he spends 20%, yes, 20 upon 100, yes, 20 upon 100 into 360, right? So this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel, so 2 into 36, that is 72 degrees. Okay, and then you have education, that is 25%, right? This was number 4. Okay, and then you have 5, which is education, and this is 25%, that means 25 upon 100 into 360. Let me tell you, 25 and 100 will cancel each other. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, right? So 25 goes 4 times by 100, and 4 and 360 will also cancel each other. So 4 will go 1 time by 4 and 360 goes 9 times by 4. Sorry, 90 times by 4. Okay, that will be how much? 90 degrees. Quite simple. Yes or no? Okay, all the 5 I have made it here. Yes, as you can see, this is right here. Now we will proceed on making the pie chart. Quite easy now, right? Just take the help of the paper, and now first of all you will make a circle. Okay, so let's make the circle of any suitable radius, right? Okay, so this is the circle that we are making, and this will be of a suitable radius like this. Make sure you keep a note of what point is your center, right? This point here, it is my center, this one, right? I'll just mark it here really quickly, okay, so that I don't miss it, right? This is my center phi. Okay, now look, I'll make a straight line from the center point, okay, something like this. Okay, like this. This will be my baseline, right? Now see, the first quantity, that is food, it is 108 degrees. So with the help of your protractor, you will take it here, you will keep it on the baseline, you will see only the inner scale. Now 100 and then 8 degrees. So 100, 1, 100, 2, 100, 3, 100, 4, 105, 106, 107, 108. This one, right? Just 8 after 8 dashes after 100. This will be the point, right? You can mark it here. This will be 108. Now you will join and form a sector, right? You will form a sector like this. Okay, make sure you stay inside the boundaries of this circle only. That will be 108 degrees. This is food. Clear? And then you can see we have rent, the next one, that is 54 degrees. Again, keep your compass here on the next line that you have made, right? Always keep on changing the baseline, that is the next line. This is one, right? This one here, and this is 54 degrees. That means if I keep it here and if I see it from the inner scale, this is 50, and then we will have here 54. Okay, 54. Okay, let's take the ruler again and let's join it again. Form the sector. This is 54 degrees, and that is rent. Then you have got clothing, the next one. Clothing is also 36 degrees, right? Okay, quite easy. You'll again take your protractor, keep it here. Now with the next line that you have made, you will align it like this. See the inner scale only, 0, 10, 20, 30, and then 36. So till the middle line, this is 35, so one after this one here. Here, this will be 36, yes? Okay, let us now join them together, right? And this is clothing, yes, clothing. 36 degrees, right? Clothing, and then you have got the next one, which is transport, 72 degrees, right? Again, you will take your protractor here, right? And then you have to keep it here, and you will see that. Now you see the inner scale. Now whatever line you have made, you align it with this, and then you see the inner scale now, and take 72, 70 here. That means 2 will be coming right after this, right? I'll show it here. Can you see it? 70 here on the inner scale, and then 1 more and 2 more. So that is 72. And then if you join this, you will get whatever you want. This is 72 degrees. Fine. What is 72 degrees representing? It is representing transport. Next up, you have education, and education is 90 degrees. You don't need to make education. As you can see, it is already made here. This is coming out to be 90. Can you see it? Yes, straight. So this is already 90, right? What is this? This is education. He spends 90% of his revenue on education. That is it. This is the pie chart. All right, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves, and bye bye.